Alright.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. This is what we're gonna do. We fill the Purell bottle with black powder, and we put a sparkler in it, and now we're gonna light it inside the microwave.
Alright, go set it up.
Alright.
You are just so popular.
Oh, dude, man, you shut it?
You can go to the church website and click on
Get the hell out of there.
Oh, he's shutting the microwave. Oh, what? It's such a vomit. What's in there?
That might put up the fire, I don't know.
Yeah.
What did you put in there?
I will check.
Dude, now
I don't
I
think
can
the
still
air-
see it.
Dude, it just shook.
Yeah, it's
Dude, it just shook.
Well, what about the camera?
It's fine.
The air's probably gone. There's no. What did you put in there?
I can still see it flickering in there.
Yeah, there it goes.
Oh yeah, it's going.
Open the door and see what happens.
Dude, get back.
Go! Maybe if I cough on it,
Get back.
They're backing up. I think the camera's gonna get destroyed.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Dude, leave it.
Dude, the camera's gonna blow up.
I can't believe we got that on camera. That was awesome.
Dude, it's
Oh my god.
That was badass.
Dude, look at his leg.
Dude, that's
Leg.
450. What is that?
Action figure leg.
Is that 450?
Dude, that was sweet.
Look at the
Oh my
bottle.
God. Dude, that was... We
That's
finally
what
made a
happens when you
bomb
put rice-
that works.
rice powder.
Oh my god, it blew it out there.
They closed the door.
Dude, that was sweet.
It felt like a
We gotta take an axe to
Yeah, do it
it.
again.
Instant replay, please. Oh my gosh, I just missed it.
You missed it? Oh.